Happy holidays, y'all. From Adrice's Kitchen 6'9", where you gotta be drunk to make some good old recipes, right? Anyway, tonight I'd like to share with you my recipe for baked Italian thighs, chicken thighs. Yes! Ooh, let me share with you my ingredients. I already marinated these thighs with some garlic pepper, Italian seasoning, some coriander-cumin. Ooh, I love this now. Some ground thyme and some turmeric. I seasoned it and a little olive oil, and I let them marinate in the refrigerator for about 4 hours, right? Then I cooked these, sauteed them for about 3 minutes on each side. Now, for my marinade, I did a little marinade. Use your own, what you like. What I used was a can of diced tomatoes and 2 tomato sauces with a little equal. And this is what that looks like. I put my oven to 375. Now for I got this mixture here. It's ricotta cheese, parmesan cheese, and the real mozzarella, the ball kind. I shredded some of that, okay? And a little salt. And that's what's all in this bowl. And I mixed it all together. And I'm going to put these two together and top them and put this in the oven, and I'll be back. So, over each thigh, you want to spread the ricotta mixture on top. Okay? And use a cast iron skillet, because this is going in the oven over each one. Then we're going to take this marinara sauce and spoon it over each one. And we're going to put it in the oven at 375. And we're going to bake it. Okay, hold on. Alrighty then. So this is how it looks going in the oven, y'all. And we're going to bake it at 375 for about 25 minutes until the temperature in the thighs get about 165. Oh, 25 minutes later. I like to use these thermometers. So my chicken is at 175 degrees and it's ready. Look at that. Don't that just look scrumptious, doesn't it? Ooh, I can't wait to dive into it. For 25 minutes, I didn't know what to drink. That's one of them meals you want to have your little champagne with, right? I'm not promoting any Sneevy's Love That Barbecue Spice tonight, but I didn't use any. Or I'm not drinking any I Love That 6'9" wine tonight. I might be later. I might have a little Sneevy's spicy dill pickles, hot spicy with this meal. And if you would like any of our products, go to sunmoonproducts.com and order you some and play with your recipes. Happy holidays, y'all. Cheers.